Father, if it came down to a choice between Maggie's life and the baby's, what would your conscience advise?
The church is clear on that point, Doctor. Neither may be sacrificed to save the other.
Yes. You're a priest, and I suppose you must speak as a priest. It doesn't seem so clear to an ordinary man like me. If the husband were here...
Oh, if I were the husband. I think I couldn't bear to sacrifice her for anything.
Then she didn't know that you'd returned here to Australia?
No, I thought it best. Her letter was forwarded on to me from Rome. When I read it, I had to come. I felt there must be something very wrong.
Well, we're just glad you did come, Your Grace. It's good to know there's someone in the world who cares about the poor girl.
Thank you. I want to go back into her.
Cares about her, Lottie. If you ask me, he's in love with her.